gets their own space. Whether you've got family, guests, or you want a home office, gym, whatever, you've got flexibility here. But what I really like is the privacy. Even inside the home, it feels quiet. It feels like everyone has their own retreat. All right, now let's go outside, because this is where it gets really fun. This is a resort-style Acquabella saltwater pool. And I want to pause here for a second because this is not your standard backyard. You've got travertine decking, which not only looks amazing but stays cool in the Vegas heat. You've got AMTA's low-maintenance turf, so it's green all year. And then right here, your outdoor kitchen. This is where you're hosting. This is where weekends happen. This is where Vegas evenings just hit different. Honestly, this backyard alone feels like a private resort. Now let me show you a few things that people don't always notice right away, but they matter a lot. This home has owned solar, not leased owned, so you're saving money long term. You've got a water softener with reverse osmosis, which is huge out here in Vegas. And even the garage, epoxy flooring, super clean, super durable. These are the upgrades that make life easier every